Today we are using place value blocks to help us better understand the standard subtraction algorithm. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So the problem is a farm has 319 animals. 136 of the animals are pigs. How many animals are not pigs? So my subtraction problem is going to be 319 minus 136. And when we are using place value blocks on a piece of paper, we have this mat that we can draw on. My suggestion is to split the mat in two rows. The top row is going to be my minuend, or my larger number, of 319. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw in 319. Alright, and if I was to do this in expanded form, this would be 300 plus 10 plus 9. And I'm going to subtract. I'm going to start with the ones. So 9 minus 6, in order to do that, I'm just going to erase 4, 5, 6, and redraw them at the bottom. Initially I had the kids circle, draw lines, and that way we could see that the units were moving, but that just got a little bit too complicated. So we're going to erase and redraw right now. If you notice, in the ones we still have, there's 3 up here and there's 6 down here. So 9 minus 6 is whatever's left over, which is 3. Now I'm going to subtract in the tens column. I cannot take 3 rods from 1 rod. I can't take 3 tens from 1 10. So I'm going to have to regroup. And in order to do that, I'm going to erase that flat. I'm going to redraw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rods. And what I ended up doing, I took 1 flat and I exchanged it for 10 rods. If I add all those up, I have 110 or 11 rods. So over here, what I would do on the actual problem, I cross out the 3, I put a 2, I cross out the 1, I put an 11. Same thing. And now all I have to do is subtract 3 of those. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, and put them down here. And you can see that I should still have 11. I've got 8 here, and I've got 3 here. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 minus 3 is 8. That's how many I have left in the top part. And then now what I'm going to do is subtract my hundreds. All I have to do is erase 1 flat and bring it down. I did not have to regroup. So I've got 1 flat up here, 1 flat on the bottom, and that equals the 2 flats. So my solution, my difference, is 183. That's how many animals are not pigs. Now, to check your work, I'm going to tell the kids, just add up what we have left in the hundreds column. So we've got 1, 2, and that equals our 200. We've got 8, 9, 10, 11, which equals our 110. We've got 6 plus 3, which equals our 9. So 2, 11, and 9. And that equals 319. So when I add the numbers up, 183 plus 136 equals 319. That's how I know I did my work correctly. And that's it. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you much.